After creating the Gatestone poster, I looked it up and saw that I didn't add this nuclear explosion image to the poster. And also in the description of that video, I did tell you that I'm going to make a tutorial about it. So this is it. Let's get going. By the way, this is Farhan, the guy talking, and if you haven't already seen the creating of this poster, then I'll have a link in the description, or also you can watch it in here. So what we're going to first do is trace this explosion. Now, after I realized that I made a mistake, I created a path and saved it as an XCF file, which is Gimp's file. If you're so you might have to trace it, but you can get this in Divine Art. Now I'm going to go to Path to Selection, Control I to select invert, hit delete, and make sure you have your alpha channel on. Add alpha channel. Control Shift A to select none. Now select all and copy visible. Now we've already added texts to this poster, so we're gonna have to do it in like there. So we're gonna paste it like that. First scale it and here, there, maybe a little big, like that. Now we're gonna blur this out. Now what we need to do is match it with this environment. Go to colors, use saturation, turn the lightness to a bit darker color, like burned out something, like this, and the saturation to a value of 23, like that. Now go to colors, color temperature, make the original temperature to a value of 3880.1 and the intent temperature to 772.6. Maybe move it a bit around, like, oops, move it around here. We're gonna erase this part. So we're not pretty much done here. We need to bloom it out. So go to filters. But first, what we need to do is go to layer, layer to image size. Go to filters, license shadow, and bloom. Turn on the limit exposure. You can see it's starting to burn down. Go up on the strength, radius. I think this value sets up right. Now we're gonna send the mode to soft light. You can see it's like this part is blown, there's fire, and this part is going away. So that's a fury. So that will do it for this tutorial, and I'll see you next Friday.